Hello and welcome back to another episode of Bold Life. I'm your host, Oni Higgins. We have a great show that I know you all are going to love. The holidays are approaching, which means lots of food, gifts, and alcohol. Well, for most of us. Joining me today is Beth Nydick, and she's a mixologist, author, and speaker here to show us how to make some clean cocktails for the holidays. Thank you, Beth, for joining us. How are you?
Oh, Oni, I'm so excited to be here with you, and I'm so excited to make this drink with you. I can't wait. This is one of those simple, easy, but great ingredient drinks.
Yes, I was about to say I can't wait to taste it, but we're virtual here, so that's not happening. So tell us, what are you making today?
So I'm essentially making a spiked lemonade, but we're up-leveling your ingredients because that's what clean cocktails is really all about. It's about drinking your favorite cocktail just with better whole ingredients. So instead of using just that regular lemon that you have from the store, today we're using Meyer lemons. Have you ever heard of a Meyer lemon?
Yes, I thought that you can get it at Target, but where are some places that you can go to find Meyer lemons?
You know, they're a little bit seasonal, but I found them this morning at Trader Joe's.
Got it. So like a Whole
So,
Food, a fruit market, something like that.
yeah, but actually my ShopRite usually has them. They just didn't have them this week. So you call ahead, you can find them. But this is a Meyer lemon. It's a cross between a mandarin orange and an actual lemon. So it's a little bit of a hybrid fruit. So it has a sweeter, tarty taste to it.
Got it. And I'm assuming it's a bit more healthier than a regular lemon.
It is. It's got some extra nutrient components from the mandarin orange than it does from the lemon. So it's added. But you still have a lot of vitamin C and a lot of antioxidants in it.
Got it. So what other ingredients you have that's going to go into it?
So we have the Meyer lemon, all juiced up just for you guys. We have vodka. I'm using Tito's vodka today. And I made this morning a honey syrup, which is on your stovetop, honey, one part, one part water. I like to add a couple slices of the Meyer lemon into it. You let it boil, simmer, and then you put it in your fridge and you can use it up for 3 months in a closed container.
Nice. So just show us how do we make this spiked lemonade here?
Great. Well, this is super easy. So I have my pitcher filled with ice. I'm going to add the lemon, the Meyer lemon. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good.
I bet, especially with the honey.
1 cup of vodka. It is the day after Thanksgiving. And 1 cup of honey syrup. And that's it. Swirl that together. Pour it into your glass. And then wait, there's a little bit more. So you can put ice into your glass, fill it up halfway. So I like to garnish it with a little bit of Meyer lemon zest, which, because you're using the Meyer lemons, you're going to have that great Meyer lemon oil from the skin. To do a little bit of that, put a little bit of the oils in there, cut a slice of your lemon, put a little kink in it so you can put it onto your glass. And right there, you have your nice, fresh Meyer lemonade.
Yum. I'm like cheersing with you with my water bottle here. Cheers.
So, it's a good one.
What inspired you to look for healthier alcoholic drink options?
Well, while being a nutritionist, I was seeing clients and they were really asking me, can I have a drink? Can I have a glass of wine with dinner? Like, are you really talking about not ever drinking again? And that's so unrealistic to me because I like a good cocktail, and to my clients. So most of these actual recipes are drinks that I've been making forever. I just like these kind of drinks. My writing partner and I came up with a gazillion more to really, and we want you to focus on this, taking your favorite cocktail, just making it with better whole ingredients. So you're not having that awful chemical sugar-laden hangover in the morning.
Yeah, so, I never think about calories when it comes to alcohol. Like, if it tastes good, I'm going to drink it. And, that's contrary when it comes to food. We will watch our calories with food. So is that the biggest misconception?
Huge misconception. I always say this. Why are you working so hard during the week and then having 2 margaritas and ruining it all on the weekends? It makes no sense, right? So really looking at what you're putting into your drink. When you go to restaurants and they give you that menu, if you read the ingredients, there's usually 2 or 3 kinds of sugar in each drink. And let me give everyone permission right now. You can ask for your cocktail without sugar. They might look at you funny, but you can do it.
So let's just say I'm out to eat. I'm looking at like a Cosmo. Those are like my things. Cosmo, like the fruity, sweet drinks. What are some other alternatives or tricks that people like me can implement when they're going out for drinks or at a bar or a restaurant?
Well, let's take the Cosmo, for instance. So in there is triple sec, cranberry juice, and the vodka. Why don't you pull back on the triple sec? Say, hey, can I have the triple sec on the side and an extra splash of cranberry? It's really as simple as that. But think about this. If you're adding like a tart cherry juice or you're adding lemon or lime to that cocktail, you are up leveling the flavor profile of it, and you might enjoy it just as much as you would enjoy that sugary cocktail.
Nice. So last question. I know you have a book with some of this useful information. Are there also, just tell us a little bit about it. I don't know if there's tips included, recipes and all of that.
So in the book itself, we have all the syrups, the honey syrup that we made. We have jalapeno, watermelon, matcha. We have plenty of offers there.
Yum.
We actually teach you how to make bitters for cocktails. We teach you all the tricks and tips and tricks, which shaker to use, which muddler to use, how to use them. And we actually also have a chapter. Our last chapter is a non-alcoholic chapter, not only for those hangover elixirs, but for the person in your life that doesn't drink.
Nice. And where can we find the book?
So right now, I really ask you, if you're interested in the book, please call your local bookstore. They can order it, but it's available on Amazon and any online bookstore you can think of.
Nice. Well, Beth, thank you so much for making this. I'm going home right now to go and put that together and try it. So I have to let you know how it came out.
Oh, I can't wait. Don't forget to tag me.
Okay, I sure will. You have a good one. Thank you for joining us. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Pleasure to be with you.